So hello and welcome to the Ishabala YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain the code of this project from White Hat Junior called Image Switcheroo, and this is a project from ADV class 50. So let's begin. So we are going to do this project also on CodePen only, and in this project we are going to also be coding the JS, which stands for JavaScript. So first let's begin with the HTML. So first we are giving the HTML opening tag, then the head opening tag, then the head closing tag. If you want, you can also give the title tag in it, like title opening tag, then project 50, and then the title closing tag. Or if you want, you can also just leave it as blank. Then the head closing tag we are giving it. Then body ID is equal to main h1. So h1 is the tag in which we write the text. So h1 opening tag. Then inside this we are writing the name Thomas Alva Edison, and then the h1 closing tag. Then button on click is equal to, in inverted commas, turn on, and then this symbol, then this then this is greater than sign, and turn off the light, and then the button closing tag. Then image ID is equal to bulb, src is equal to https this link, and I'm going to now tell you that from where I got this link. So in the project itself, if you scroll down to specific tasks to complete, over here use the on bulb and off bulb images from the given links. So you click on any one of the image on bulb. So then this link which is coming in the address bar, you will just have to copy this link, and then if you paste it on in the search box, then the same image will come. So we have to copy this link for the on bulb image, this. Then we are giving the width of the image as 150 and the height also as 150. Then we are again doing when button on click is equal to turn on the light. Image src is equal to https this https link, and this image is going to be of Thomas Edison. This link is also given in the project over here in specific task to complete section in line 4. Add the image of Thomas Edison from the link here. Then the width and height of this image also as 150, and then we are giving BR and H4. So BR stands for break. So we just gave a break tag, and then the H4 tag we started. So now over here I have written these lines for Thomas Edison, but you can also write some lines which you want to write. So I have written Thomas Alva Edison, born in Ohio on February 11, 1847, was one of the well-known inventors of all time. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. Then we are going to end the break tag 2 times. Then we are going to leave a line, and then I have again written another paragraph about him. It is, he developed many devices that greatly influenced life around the world, including the phonograph, the motion picture camera, and the long-lasting practical electric light bulb, dubbed the Wizard of the Menlo Park. He was one of the first inventors to apply the principles of mass production and large-scale teamwork to the process of invention, and because of that he is often credited with the creation of the first industrial research laboratory. Then I'm again ending the BR tags. Then Edison died of complications of diabetes on October 18, 1931, in his home, Glenmont, in Llewellyn Park in West Orange, New Jersey, which he had purchased in 1886 as a wedding gift for Mina, his second wife. He is buried behind the home. Then we are ending the H4 tag, the body tag, and the HTML tag. So now let's begin with the CSS code. So first we are just writing body, then in the other line I have just written, I have given this colon bracket, then background color will be white, color will be purple. So over here color is the text color. The text color will be purple, text align will be center, and then we are just giving this closing bracket. Then H1, which was the Thomas Alva Edison Edison text, H1, then text align is center. Then IMG, which stands for image, text align is going to be center. Then border will be 10px solid, hashtag CCCCCC. This is the color which is for this gray, and the border width and the border size will be 10px, which is 10 pixels. Then we are writing here dot image, text align is center, and then H4 is text align is also center. H4 is this whole paragraph which I wrote about him. So now let's come to JS, which is for JavaScript. So now over here we declared a function turn off over. Okay, I'm just going to put this JavaScript and HTML here. Right. So first we are putting function turn off. So here I have button on click. So now when we declare, so now when we in this in for writing the JS in HTML, like whenever we make any buttons, then over here when we write button on click, we always have to give a function to put it in JS, so that we can tell the computer, give this command to the computer of what does that button need to do when it is clicked. So like button on click is equal to turn off, so I gave the function turn off for the turn on the light button. So now let's see it in the JS code. Function turn off, then these two brackets, and then this opening bracket, document dot get element by ID bulb. You see this image ID is equal to bulb, so bulb, we are going to be putting it dot src is equal to http is this link for on bulb. So this link is the same link as this one, and then we are not going to put any width or height in it. Then we are just going to close the bracket. Then we are just over here in we are going to leave a one line. Then over here we are going to type function turn on. First we type turn off, now we are going to type turn on. everything is going to be same. So but what is going to be changed is that the image image SRC, the image will be changed. So now we are going to put it for off plus bulb PNG. So this link is also given. If we go to off bulb, then again on the address bar we have to copy it, then a new tab, and this is the same link for it. So then I just put that over there. So now I'm going to show you that how this is going to be working. So editor layout. Okay. So now I have got a full view of this. So now over here, this is how the page is going to look. So now if I click on turn off the light, then the image is going to change, and then if I click on turn on the light, then the image is again has again changed to the bulb with the light in it. So this is what this project going to be, and as the paragraph is here, then Thomas Alva Edison's picture is also here, and the name is also here. So this was it. So this was the HTML, CSS and JS code for this project from White Hat Junior called Image Switcheroo. And until I make a new video, bye bye and keep coding.